Simcenter 3D additive manufacturing now enables you to compensate a part with design changes without resimulating the new design. Design updates occur regularly during the design and 3D printing process. These updates can happen after the simulation and compensation workflow. Until now, we had to resimulate the new design. Today, we can compensate for the new design without resimulating. In our effort to extend our capabilities while increasing robustness, we added voxel elements to all our functionalities. We can now mesh both thermal and mechanical models using voxels, including a flexible build plate. When we perform a thermomechanical simulation, two separate meshes are created. The first mesh is for the thermal analysis, where we use uniform voxels for the specimen and non-uniform elements for the powder. The mechanical mesh will use voxels for the specimen and tetrahedral elements for the flexible build plate. After the meshing, the application can estimate the optimal memory and number of processors for the solver. When we launch the calculation, two separate simulations are run. The thermal analysis is run to obtain the temperature field. The mechanical analysis uses the temperature field as a load case. After both the calculations are finished, we can start post-processing the temperature. The temperature distribution is visualized directly on the voxels with the powder elements removed. Secondly, we post-process the deformations of the part at the end of printing, after cooldown, and after support removal. In this case, the distortions are shown directly on the geometry. A new feature in Simcenter 3D additive manufacturing is the possibility to select an alternate part to be used in the compensation process. The alternate part will be like the original part, but can have small design changes. After selecting the alternate part and the appropriate load case, the compensated STL file will be exported. When we load the compensated or alternate model into the build setup, we can see both the compensated and the original geometry. In this case, the compensated geometry also includes a design change at the top of the model. With this new functionality, we are now able to take design changes into account for the compensation workflow without having to resimulate.